Position for the contract for a proposed waste-to-energy facility. He needs the proper and appropriate information.
GIDA and GRRP went into mediation, court-ordered mediations, and so they sent down a proposed contract. However, it has not received the public scrutiny it needs to, for this thing to move forward.
And in order to receive that input, the oversight chair of GIDA will hold an informational hearing on Monday with GIDA and GRRP on their draft settlement agreement.
We want to make sure that we get all the information necessary and move this thing forward. If it is a good proposal for the people of Guam, then I think we should move forward. If it's a bad proposal, I think we should reject it.
As we reported back in March, while the waste-to-energy contract had been negotiated between GRRP and Gov Guam through court-ordered mediation, the government isn't necessarily in agreement with every provision of it. Solid waste incineration is illegal on Guam and would require the legislature to change the law if the contract were to move forward. Rodriguez, who says he hasn't seen the proposed contract, hopes to address the matter before another possible lawsuit comes before Gov Guam, when he says we cannot afford.
Because this has been going on for 2 decades. And I think we should not kick the can down the road, so to speak, and leave it to our children to take care of. This is something that needs to be addressed today.
Governor Eddie Calvo, meanwhile, had previously stated he would not sign anything unless several factors were met, including if it's environmentally safe, if it's financially sound, and if it's legal. Federal Receiver Gershman, Brickner, and Bratton, meanwhile, raised concern over how it believed the contract would significantly increase the cost of disposal of solid waste on Guam. GIDA, GRRP, the Attorney General's office, and members of the public have been invited to the hearing set for June 9th at 9:30 in the morning at the legislature's public hearing room. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.